Good morning, my dear students. I really miss you so much. Let's start what we have covered yesterday, which are the triangles, and how can we identify the triangles based on their sides. There are three, as we said yesterday. There are three types of triangles based on their side length, which is the first one is equilateral triangle, where all the sides of the triangle are equal. All the sides are equal. We call or we name this triangle as equilateral triangle, where all the side lengths are equal. Yani if this is 3 centimeters, so this side will be 3 centimeters and the third side will also be 3 centimeters. What about the second type? If I have two sides only equal, if this side equals 5 centimeter and this side equals 5 centimeter, but the third side equal, for example, 7 centimeters or 10 centimeters. Yani two sides only are equal, so I name or I call this type of triangle as isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle type. The third type, as we said or as we mentioned yesterday, where all sides are different in length. All the sides of the triangle are different in their length. Yani, for example, if this side, the first side equals 5 centimeters, second side equals 7 centimeters, and the third side equals 10 centimeters, for example. All sides are different in their measure or length, so I name or I call this triangle scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, and we went through this example exercise yesterday. Let's go to other exercises. Here the question: classify these triangles by ticking. You're just gonna tick yani the relevant boxes. Yani if it is equilateral, you just put here right, or here, and so on. So here the first triangle, here first side equals 3 centimeter, second 5 centimeter, and the third 4 centimeter. So is this an equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle or scalene triangle? All side lengths are different, or all the sides are different in their length. Yani there is no equal sides. So is it equilateral or isosceles or scalene? Yes, it's scalene triangle. So I have to tick here in the last box. Type. What about the second triangle? Here the first side is 8 inches. The second side equals 8 inches as well. But the third side is different, equals to 5 inches. So here I only have two sides which are equal. Two sides equal. So is it an equilateral triangle? ولا isosceles triangle or scalene triangle? Think. Yes, it's isosceles triangle, right? You are right. So I'm gonna tick here in the isosceles box here, right? Excellent. So what about the third example? First side equals 6 inches, second side equals 7 inches, and the third side equals 8 inches. Yani no sides are equal in their length. All sides are different in their length. Yani all the sides are different in their length. So is it equilateral, isosceles, scalene? All sides are different in their length. So yes, it's scalene triangle. I call it as a scalene triangle. So I will tick here. Okay, right click, I will put it here in the scalene box. The fourth triangle, yes, all the sides equal 4 centimeters. As you see, the first side equals 4 centimeters, the second side equals 4 centimeters, and the third side equals 4 centimeters. Yani all the sides are equal in their length, which equals to 4 centimeters. So is it here equilateral triangle or isosceles or scalene? A triangle with all sides equal, I call it as equilateral triangle, right? So I will put a right click here in the equilateral box. The last one is here one side, the first side of the triangle 6 centimeter, and the second side equal 4 centimeter, and the third side equals to 8 centimeter, 8 meters, sorry, 6 meters, 4 meters, and 8 meters. All the sides are different in their length. So is it equilateral, isosceles, or scalene? Yes, it is scalene triangle because all the sides are different in their length. Right. Let's move to another exercise. Okay, here identify each triangle based on both sides and angles. Regardless the angle, now we're gonna just fix on the sides. We're gonna name or call the name of the triangle based on the side length. Here, it's an example and it's already solved. All the sides of the first triangle are equal, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 8 centimeter. So this is an equilateral triangle, right? The second one, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeter, and 6 inches, 7 inches, and 6 inches. Yani I have two sides which are equal in their length. Two sides which are equal in their length. So I call this type of triangle as an isosceles triangle, right? Isosceles triangle. Bravo. So here, the third one, the first 5 meters, the second side 7 meters, and the third side is 9 meters. All the sides are different in their length. All the sides are different. So I call this type of triangle as scalene triangle, right? Scalene triangle. Let's move to number 4. First side equal 3 feet, second 3 feet, and the third 3 feet. All the sides are equal here. All the sides are equal. So I call this triangle as, yes, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Excellent. Here, the first side is 4 inches, second 3 inches, and the third is 5 inches. So all sides are different in their length. So I name this triangle as scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, right? Let's move to number 6. First side equals 7 centimeters, second side equals 7 centimeters, and the third side equal 2 centimeters. So I have two sides which are equal in their length. I have two sides which are equal in their length. So I name or I call this triangle as isosceles triangle, right? Isosceles triangle. Excellent. Here, number 7, the first side equals to 5 centimeter, second 7 meter, and the third is 11 meters. 5, 7, 11. All the sides are different in their measure or in their length. So I call this triangle as scalene triangle, right? Scalene triangle. What about number 8? First 4 feet, second 4 feet, and the third 4 feet. All the sides are equal in their length. So I name this triangle as equilateral triangle. Super equilateral triangle. As all sides are equal, I name this triangle as an equilateral triangle. Number 9, first side is 3, second side is 3 inches, and the third side is 5 inches. Two sides only which are equal in their length. So I call this triangle as isosceles triangle. It's an isosceles triangle, right? Because two sides only are equal in their length. Number 10, number 10, not this one, sorry, number 10, first side is 5 centimeters, second side is 4 centimeters, and the third side equals to 6 centimeters. All the sides here are different. They are not the same. They are not equal. All the sides are different in their length. So I name this triangle as scalene triangle, right? It's a scalene triangle. Number 11, first side equals 5 feet, second side 5 feet, and the third side is 7 feet. So I have only two sides which are equal in their length. So I call this triangle as isosceles triangle, right? Isosceles triangle. Excellent. What about the last triangle? I have all the sides equal to 9 meters. First side 9 meters, second side 9 meters, and the third side is 9 meters. So all the sides are equal in their length. So I call this triangle as an equilateral triangle. Excellent. We're gonna stop here, and inshallah we'll continue our topic or our chapter tomorrow, inshallah. Hope I will see you soon, inshallah, in the school, because I really miss you so much. I will see you again tomorrow, inshallah. Take care of yourself and have a good day.